Namaste. Welcome to CMP Training Institute. My name is Dheera and I'm your trainer. And today we are going to discuss about Unit 1 of Module 1. Module 1 is going to cover 4 important topics for you. These topics are professional behavior, interpersonal competency, career development knowledge, needs assessment and referrals. Professional behavior. Under this section, you are going to learn about the qualities and attributes you need to do your job, benefits of developing relationships with other professionals, necessity for lifelong learning, why you must keep up to date with the technology, how you can apply solution-based framework for your clients, and how to collect, analyze, and evaluate data. Here, you will also learn how time management and planning can help you with your work. Last but not least, you are going to learn about code of ethics, which will help you whenever you are in dilemma. Interpersonal competency. This section will help you to respect diversity, how you can use it in your favor, and how to understand it better. Career development knowledge. As said by Paul J. Mayer, communication, the human connection, is the key to personal as well as career success. Under the topic communicate effectively, we are going to learn about the barriers of verbal or non-verbal communication. You will also learn how to improve written communication, develop active listening skills and body language for building rapport. Career development knowledge. Herb Brooks said very beautiful lines that instead of reading someone else's book, write your own book about success. And this is what we are going to learn under this section. Here we will learn about career development models, human development models, and theories about job market, how to do proper research, how to make portfolios, resumes, and cover letters. After learning these topics, you will be able to help your clients not only with their existing attributes and qualities, but also through market research and through the referral programs. Needs assessment and referral. Sometimes we ourselves do not have skills or knowledge where we will be able to help our clients. In that case, we need help from other professionals just like us. When you know all the qualities and attributes of your qualities and you think they need something extra, then the referral programs comes. Here, under this topic, you will learn about both the things.